And we also offer in-house gun drilling capabilities. Greeno's gun drilling machines are engineered and built to achieve desired tolerances within deeply drilled holes.
One of the core product lines of Greeno Industries is large industrial fasteners. This encompasses studs, nuts, and bolts. And one of the key differentiators for Greeno Industries is the fact that we have in-house gun drilling capability. This is typically an outsourced item for most companies. We have the ability to gun drill an 1.25 inch through hole through 60 inches of material in metals as tough as Inconel 718. This, combined with our CNC horizontal lathe capability, makes us one of the leading manufacturers for large industrial fasteners.
We pledge we will go above and beyond.